Day 3 of the state of emergency in St. James, and the bloodletting continues despite the presence of the security forces. A funeral service for a man which was once listed among the top 10 most wanted in the parish turned deadly this afternoon. TVJ's Lanagay Franklin has the details.
The incident played out sometime after 3 Saturday afternoon. Despite the heavy police military operation, a gunman launched an attack on the funeral procession at the Quarry Full Gospel Church of God. TVJ News understands that several shots were fired in the crowd of mourners.
The place I run under murderation right now, where nobody knows safe as far as we see it around. The people them I get scared. Because see their funeral I go on and a man dead. You see me? And to end the idea of the youth, them in the community, they get the pressure away as a citizen, yeah.
So you feel about the police?
Well, me love the program and me did say I go on still, because everything went good for a morning with the soldier and the police. Search everybody, everything went good. But boy, we don't know where that one man come from in a place, boss. No man don't know who him, nobody, and no man from here, we don't even know him. I don't see man dead. And somebody who me know, dead.
It was the funeral service of O'Shane Duhaney, a man who in September last year was listed among the top 10 most wanted in the parish. 5 persons were shot, 1 fatally. Members of the security forces who had been patrolling the area were quick on the scene, but not quick enough to nab the man who launched the attack. Funeral goers were not allowed to leave without undergoing searches. Our news center has since learned that a firearm was seized. Hours before this incident, the Jamaica Defense Force called a press briefing, but when it began,
when Colonel Price is finished, he will leave. He will be heading back to Kingston, and there will be no questions for the Colonel. There will be no opportunity for any follow-up questions.
Colonel Price then read from a statement that was already issued to the media and reiterated some of the fines and arrests made since the declaration of the state of emergency in St. James on Thursday, to include 1 high-powered weapon and 6 rounds of ammunition in flanker, and 15 persons arrested in connection with the illegal petrol bust in Freeport on Friday.
In the same flankers community, we arrested 8 persons. 8 members of the dangerous Sparta gang. All 8 are wanted for either murder or in connection to shooting crimes.
After urging citizens to support and cooperate with the security forces, he then made his exit. Lanagay Franklin, TVJ News.